Hi there. We are looking at our different types of endings, and we've learned about when the Y is at the end of the word. It can say E or it can say I. We've learned that the ED at the end of a word can say T, D, and ID. We've also learned that sometimes when you're talking about more than one or something happening right now, that sometimes we add an S and sometimes we add an ES. So boy becomes boys, clock becomes clocks, teacher, teachers, dog, dogs. But these, any word that ends in a CH, an S, an SH, or an X, you're going to add ES. So branch turns into branches. Dress turns into dresses. Wish turns into wishes. Box turns into boxes. So what you need today is your whiteboard marker, and a little piece to move back and forth. I'm just going to grab a clip. You're going to write an S. You're going to write an ES and draw a line. We're going to practice moving that clip to the correct ending, the correct type of ending. So I'm going to write a word and I'm going to say it, and I want you to put that piece, whatever piece you have, on the spot that you think that you hear. Do you hear S or is? And today, last week we just practiced listening. This week I'm going to show you the word and you're going to hear it. So we're going to see it. Here's your first word. I want you to work hard to be a detective and see, what do you notice about this word? Stops. You could say she stops really fast in the car. Stops. Go ahead and move that clip. It's just a S at the end, but we do want to make sure we notice that. Stops. Okay. Move it back to the middle. Here's your next word. You can miss, maybe you miss the train. Sometimes when we're driving, we go across the train tracks, we miss the train and we don't have to wait for it. But you also, maybe he misses the train. Misses the train. So it's happening right then. Misses. Notice this word ends, if it was just miss, it would end in an S. Therefore, we add an ES, misses. Right? You might look at your homework, or if it's happening right now, she looks at her homework. Looks. There's an S at the end. It just says look. All right, move it back to the center. Now this is a noun, cat. But if I'm talking about more than one cat, I would say cats. Cats. What do you notice? Cats. Just an S. All right, we have two more. Move that back to the center. You might have watched, hear that ED at the end? You might have watched a movie, or if it's happening right now, he watches a movie. Watches. Watches. Notice the word watch ends in a ch. So we add an ES to the end and it becomes watches. And here's your last one. He might teach the class a new math skill, but if it's happening right now, he teaches the class, a new math skill. Teaches. What do we change about teach? The teach becomes teaches. We add that ES that says is at the end. All right, so those were just a few words we practiced. Seeing it, I hope that you're starting to notice the S and the ES at the end of words in your own books as well. And if you have someone around you, point it out to them. Say, hey, I'm learning about different endings. And look, this word ends in an S. Or look, this word got changed and now it has an ES at the end. Share your learning with a brother or a sister or any kind of family member or stuffy.